Finish tonight with America's pastime. Why? Because the shooting today isn't about the game the Republicans and members of Congress were training for, baseball, the game we like to call America's pastime. It's about the shooting that occurred at today's early morning practice session. I know I'm pushing a point here. Of course, baseball is what most Americans enjoy. 36,000 people attended the Phillies-Red Sox game the other night. But guns are the more important political reality and the pastime for too many. Did you ever think, whatever your views on gun rights and gun control, how different we in this country are in this regard? Look at the history of violence affecting mainly our presidents. Abraham Lincoln, James Garfield, William McKinley, Jack Kennedy, all shot dead. Theodore Roosevelt shot but survived. Franklin Roosevelt shot at and missed. Harry Truman, Puerto Rican nationalist, tried to shoot him. Gerald Ford shot at twice. Ronald Reagan shot and critically wounded. Also, Huey Long, Martin Luther King, Bobby Kennedy, Malcolm X, John Lennon, and more recently, Gabby Giffords. These are off the top of my head. I'm sure there are a number of others victims of assassination attempts or assassinations I've skipped. So go ahead, name any other country like us. Just asking.
Hey there, I'm Chris Hayes from MSNBC. Thanks for watching MSNBC on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date with the videos we're putting out, you can click subscribe just below me or click over on this list to see lots of other great videos.